Hi, I'm Dr. Noelle Lucas from Blue Oasis Pet Hospital, and I'm here to answer some more questions about your cat's dermatology issues and specifically skin cancer in cats. And here's a few questions that you might have.
Dr. Lucas, what kinds of skin cancer can cats get?
So cats can get some varying types of skin cancer. The number one type of skin cancer in cats is called squamous cell carcinoma, or SCC for short. We often will see it around their faces, so around noses, eyelids, around their tips of their ears. Those are the most common areas of squamous cell carcinoma that cats can get. Some other types of skin cancer would be basal cell carcinoma. Cats can get that as well. Melanomas and mast cell tumors, and then we will see sometimes fibrosarcomas. They might be more deep in the tissues though.
What can I do to help prevent skin cancer in my cat?
So ultimately there may be very little that you can do to prevent skin cancer in your cat. There is, however, some correlation between ultraviolet radiation or being out in the sun and cats susceptible or getting squamous cell carcinomas. I guess melanomas may also be more susceptible to UV light. So we know that cats with lighter haired faces, so white faces, or you might have a darker cat, but it's the lighter so the non-haired areas of their body. So again, noses, eyelids, pinnas are going to be more at risk for cancer. And so trying to keep your cat limited from sun exposure would be about all you can do to prevent it.
Are there certain cat breeds that are more prone to skin cancer?
I mean, I would have to go to studies to look to see if there's a certain cat breed that's more at risk. I think in general we think of skin cancer being in just lighter haired cats. Again, white cats are overrepresented in having skin cancer.
Is the skin cancer diagnosis in cats a death sentence?
So no, we want to actually have you be mindful of when if you see some lesion on their skin, especially faces. It can be elsewhere, but that's a more common area. If you see a little lesion or nodule or an ulcerative area, to try to get it into that patient into CS early. We know that cats don't get cancer as easily as dogs, meaning they don't get as many diagnoses of cancer. But when they do have a cancer diagnosis, it's far more likely to be malignant. So we want to have you catch skin cancer early and get it in to see your veterinarian so that we have the opportunity to examine your cat and then potentially biopsy or remove the nodule so that we can open up more treatment options for you, or even cure it when it's little or smaller. Because once it gets more aggressive and further grows into the tissues, we have less treatment options and it can be more life-threatening.
Are skin tumors painful for cats?
So skin tumors can become painful for cats. Of course, when it's smaller and it's probably just raised a little bit, probably not very uncomfortable. But skin tumors can grow quite aggressive and ulcerate and grow into tissue spaces, and those are going to actually become uncomfortable for your cat. So if you have some questions about cat skin cancer and you think you might just want to have your cat examined, please schedule an appointment with Blue Oasis Pet Hospital, and we'd love to see you.